Hello everybody, it's me, Miss Foot Fixer. I hope you guys are well. We had this lovely patient I've seen for twice in the last long time, 6-7 years. Once I got rid of his wart, which was like there, for 1 year. Then I got rid of it again in 4 years, and now he's back. He's went to other places. They didn't do a good job, so he's back with me, and hopefully it will last forever this time. So what I did was I already did a local anesthetic, so this is numb. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut that back, we're gonna put some silver nitrate on it, and then we're gonna do a bit of lasering because that's what worked before. So it's gonna be a bit bloody. See the wart. That's fine. Just ignore the buzzer. You're not feeling anything, right?
No.
So he just said no. You're not feeling anything. Silver nitrate is good because it can treat the wart itself, but also it can stop bleeding, allow us to see the field of where the wart tissue is a lot more easier.
Thank you for watching this video, and remember to subscribe to my channel.
So we're just coagulating the tissue, but also burning the tissue underneath. As you can see, the smoke. So this patient is considered a high-risk patient because he's got immunosuppression. So that's why the wart keeps on coming back. And so that's normal. So it's like barbecue here.
After this video was taken, we forgot to record the dressing process. We used Inadine and Meeple and Meefix to secure the foot, and the patient was reviewed after a week.